I'm Dr. Rajendra Kumar. Have done post-graduation in veterinary sciences, and I'm running a clinic by name Mon Pets Clinic. So wherein I treat canines especially we get dogs, cats. Apart from that, we as companion animals, our clinic we get poultry, especially then rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, and all the animals nowadays people are keeping as the pets. So regularly we treat them, and generally is a common thing is in the canine treatment. It is basically one should go for a complete vaccination program. If your vaccination is complete and a regularly deworming and a regular checkup at the clinic, absolutely you will keep your dog or cat, your pet animals free from all diseases. Then generally in the common public, they think that they want to provide this homemade food. So homemade food is absolutely not the choice of your canines. You should go for the ready-made foods, and ready-made foods, lot of brands are available. Now the Pedigree brand is there. They have the both economical grade and as well as the premium grade. And apart from that, you have Royal Canin brand and Science Diet and Rules. Most of the companies, they are going for a very good ready-made foods with a very good packing, and as a owner they are absolutely comfortable with these ready-made foods. Apart from this, there is a lot of affection for the cats developed here, and cat also requires the vaccination, and cat generally the Fellovac vaccine we advise them at 2 months and a booster dose after 1 month. And also you have to protect your dogs with rabies, and rabies you have to give them at 3 months age rabies vaccination, and apart from that as a booster vaccination. Then regularly a deworming which take care of all the worms and eggs of the parasitic infestations. It has to be given. There is a regular schedule for the deworming, and there is a proper dose as per the body weight of the animal. So one has to follow the proper dose for the deworming schedule. As most awareness has become for the pets, and most of them have to have a pet. They have, as a pet, they have a lot of advantages. They get a very companion effect with the pet, and they get a lot of affection with the pet. And your pet is very lovely one, and it is a very important person in your family. And to protect these pets from all the diseases and other internal and external, one has to compulsorily follow the vaccination schedule 1. Then regularly they have to be dewormed. Then I recommend a ready-made food which will be very convenient and very easy, and it has a balanced form of nutrition and as well as vitamins. And just whatever human being eats, providing them their waste and all, it absolutely not at all advisable. Located in Vijayanagar colony area near the St. Anne's School, very near to the Government Veterinary Hospital, Shantinagar.